So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a Facebook group or normal group on Facebook page. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook page. Now you should have to tap on second option, which is available on the top side of your screen. So tap on it. Now you will see the option of plus icon, which is available on the top corner of your right side. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of create a group. So again tap on it. Then you can name your group like happy days, and you can choose the privacy, either you want to make group public or private. Then everything is done. Then you should have to tap on create group so that your group will be created successfully and available on your Facebook page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.